Welcome everyone to the lesson number 12. Today we have this amazing templates. So what is the template in the first place? Template is a preset of photos, audios, and sound effects. So the community put those together in one film and they upload it on CapCut servers. You drag the template and put it on your timeline, then now you are able to do the same transitions, the same video, but with your own materials. For example, I just dragged this template right here. Okay, now if you click, you are able to replace those right here with your own material. So you click on this. Now I changed those. Let's get back to the review. Okay, so you got the idea. Always preview the template before you add it to your timeline. Now after downloading, let's see it.
I see an amazing place. Feels like a dream.
Now you add your own clips. You just click on here and those the ones you need to replace so you can get the full template. You can find tons of templates. Those all made by community. Here you can filter the orientation, the clips no limit, and the duration no limit. Or you can search for the template you like. For example, traveling or soccer, basketball, anything you want. This will be it for our lesson. And as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next lessons.